Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You must act now. Confirm you have admin access to Cloudflare and the origin server, plus the server's certificate files. First, check Cloudflare's SSL mode. Make note if it's full versus full strict. Next, SSH into the origin and locate the cert chain and private key. If missing, generate or procure a certificate that browsers trust, otherwise full strict will fail. Once done, back up existing cert files and ensure permissions let the web server read them. Now install the full certificate chain on the origin, the leaf cert plus any intermediate certificates, along with the exact private key. After installation, restart your web server and immediately test with OpenSL Client Connect Origin 443 to inspect the chain. You should see the proper subject and complete chain. Incomplete chain causes error 526. Also confirm TLS versions and Cipher suites are Finish by setting Cloudflare to full strict. Once the origin presents a valid trusted certificate, this enforces end-to-end TLS. Then monitor logs on both Cloudflare and the origin for TLS handshake errors. These reveal mismatched keys, wrong chains, or hostname issues. Make sure the origin's clock is accurate. Time skew breaks certificate validation. If you still get 526, reissue the certificate, re-upload the complete chain, and as a last resort, temporarily disable Cloudflare proxy to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.